Now, when it comes to sharing to iOS devices, this is actually very cool. Let me show you. And actually, I'm going to test what happens if I change the view. I'm going to rotate a little bit just to make it more interesting. And again, either I can click from the little info button to see the share button, or from the top left in the toolbar, I can click on the share button. But this is the thing that I wanted to bring up. There's an option at the very top that says send to Vitro, and it has a black rectangle. Actually, what that is my iPhone. And the way I make my iPhone show up in here is by simply logging in with the same iCloud account on both my Mac and my iPhone. So as you can see here, these are my iCloud settings on my Mac. And if I go to my iPhone, you can see it's the same iCloud account. Now, because both my Mac and my iPhone are using the same iCloud account, I can go back to the Maps application and send this address directly to my phone. Now, before I do that, let me make the Maps application a little bit narrower so that we can see the phone at the same time. And I'm going to send the address of that gas station to my phone. So I get a notification at the top, and if I tap on that notification at the top, I get sent to the Maps application, and the Maps application gets sent to that specific address. Now on my iPhone, I don't get to see the exact same perspective that I was seeing on the Mac, but I do get the address. And not only for addresses, but also for directions. And then you can get turn-by-turn directions on your phone. Let me try that. I'm going to go back to the Maps application on the Mac, and I'm going to click on Directions. And let's see what the directions would be to go between the Chevron and the Esso stations. Let me switch it to standard to make it a little bit easier to see. And now I'm going to share the directions just by sending them to my phone. I get the route and message displayed on the phone. And if I tap Show, it shows me the path that I need to follow, including 3 different options. If you have more than one iOS device with the same iCloud account, all of those devices will show up in the Share pop-up menu.